What's going on, guys? What is going on? Figured I'd do a little bit of an earlier stream today, see what everybody's up to, see what's going on out there. Give you guys a few minutes to kind of pile into the chat, see who's all around. Hopefully not all of you guys are at work or in bed on the other side of the world. We'll see what happens, right? Market's looking good, guys. Market is looking good. Big turnaround. What was I telling you guys for the last couple of weeks? I said that Bitcoin was going to head up to about 58, 59K after a slight pullback. We had the slight pullback, and now we are working our way up. I think we'll see at least 57K before the end of the week for Bitcoin, in my opinion. But we'll see what happens, guys. 55 probably late tonight or sometime tomorrow. We should have a good daily close today. So we'll see how that goes. 54.5 right now, guys. It got as high as 54.8. So pretty good. Pretty good. Altcoins are starting to reverse with Bitcoin as well. Looking good. Miria pumping, Sandbox, HBAR, Beam, Veracity, JASMY, of course. 1.6 cents. Glimmer, Algo, KASPA's just kind of sideways, 17 cents. Market's looking pretty good, guys. Looking good. Dwayne, hey Rob, Bitcoin looking juicy. Yeah, brother, for sure. 100%, man. Remember I told you guys, I was saying that I've been telling you guys for about a week and a half now that Bitcoin was going to see a slight pullback. I said it could pull back to 48 to 50, but it's not likely. We had our pullback to like, I think 50,800. And then I said after the pullback, we were going to work our way up to about 58 to 59K. And we broke through the major resistance at 53. Now we are sitting at 54.5. I think we'll hit 55 before the end of tonight. And then, like I said, by the end of the week, I think we will for sure hit 57. And then we will work our way up to 58, guys. And the reason that one of the reasons that this is happening, guys, not just the fundamentals on the charts, but also because the selling pressure is starting to dissipate, not only from Grayscale, which has been dissipating over time, but also the Genesis selling pressure is also starting to dissipate too. Remember I told you guys about 4 or 5 days ago that the Genesis selling pressure was only going to last another week or so tops, right? So we're starting to see that lighten up as well. And you cap that off with the buying pressure actually hitting all new highs today for the ETFs. You know, that's why we're seeing such a good reverse, and I think it's going to become more and more violent to the upside over the course of this week as a result of selling pressure dying and buying pressure continuing to increase with these ETFs, guys. There's something I really wanted to talk about. Clay, what up? What up, Rob? What's going on, Clay? How you doing, my friend? There's something real quick I wanted to cover, guys, and I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of perspective. So I was kind of just doing some research today, and for perspective, guys. So BTC search volume is extremely low in comparison to where it was in the last bull run, like 2021, right? In the bull run. So with the BTC search volume, it's close to where it was right now. It's close to where it was in June of 2019, when the 618 was being hit on the BTC chart, right? The Fibonacci. BTC took another 500 days to rally back to all-time highs. It took 500 days to break through that 618 afterwards, right? So this time around, I mean, BTC has just broken through now, okay? It's broken through that. It was at 53,000. It's now we're past that. We're above it, right? And we're likely going to close above it. The last time we did this, guys, this is why it's important. The last time we did this, we rallied to new all-time highs in 40 days after that happened, okay? After we broke through the 618, it took 40 days to get to new all-time highs. That's it. And we're already 12 days past that, right? So could we see new all-time highs for Bitcoin in the next 30 days? It would be about 30 days from now, right? That's the thing. And with this is the thing, guys. With search volume being so low for Bitcoin right now, we're not even in euphoria. Retail's not even coming in right now. The news is like they're not even talking about it right now. Really, not like they do in a bull run. Not like they do in a bull run, right? We're only actually the search volume is only 25% of what it is, what it was in the last bull run, right? So we have that much more growth to go. That's what these ETFs are doing, guys, to the price. It's absolutely insane. And I said from the beginning that nobody was going to be able to predict what these ETFs were going to end up doing to the price of Bitcoin and as a result, the rest of the market, right? With that kind of statistics coming in, guys, wait until like we're going to be through all-time highs before or around the halving by at this rate. If this continues the way that it is, if you know, because if it stays true to the last time we broke through the 618 for Bitcoin, as I said before, it only took 40 days to get to an all-time high, right? And that would be before the Bitcoin halving this time. So are we going to see new all-time highs in price discovery for Bitcoin before or around the halving? That would be absolutely unprecedented in terms of the 4-year cycle, right? And what is that going to do to the price of Bitcoin when euphoria does start to kick in? When the searches when retail starts to pour back in, right? It's going to be crazy, guys. It's going to be absolutely crazy. What do we got? Clay, in my opinion, I think some Americans got their tax returns today. Tax return season here, Clay. And that's why Bitcoin's pumping. Next few weeks should be interesting. 4 days from March, 35 days away from the halving. Yeah, I kind of gave you my theory on why it's pumping, my friend. I think that the selling pressure is dissipating, not only from Grayscale, but also from Genesis. And the buying pressure is actually at a new all-time high today for these ETFs being bought up. So, Maltasanti, does Cardano always lag behind? It can. Here's the thing about altcoins, guys. Like, they don't all pump at the same time, right? Uh, some of them will pump, half of them will pump. Because we're talking about liquidity. What happens is we're talking about liquidity flowing in and out of these different altcoins, right? So they don't all just pump and go crazy at the exact same time, right? You'll see some go nuts, you'll see some go stagnant for a while, right? And then the other ones that were going stagnant will start to pump because liquidity started, people are taking profits on the ones that pumped and putting those profits into the ones that have been stagnant, right? So it's just kind of like round robin, to kind of so to speak, right? So I mean, I agree with you. Stuff like Cardano, XRP, those kind of projects have been kind of sideways and stagnant. They will have their time in the sun. Make no mistake about it. The passenger, does ETFs ever take profits? It seems that they don't care about the charts or indicators, only going up, up, up. Is there going to be a correction? My theory in terms of the ETF selling pressure is going to start. I was talking with Jesse and Spencer about this actually, and my theory about these ETFs is that a lot of people are saying that this is going to there's not going to be as much volatility in this bull run as a result of the ETFs. I completely disagree with that sentiment. That's the general consensus around the market. And usually, what happens with crypto, when the general consensus is one thing, usually the opposite happens, right? My theory is that these ETFs, guys, they're going to take profits the same way that we do. Like these people who are buying these ETFs right now, they're buying it at $50,000, $48,000, $53,000. Do you think for 1 second when Bitcoin hits $200,000 this time around or higher that they're not going to be selling? You're damn right they're going to be selling the same way that we are. They're going to take their profits the same way, right? So I think that's actually going to be make the market more volatile, if anything, not less. Because don't fool yourself into thinking that you are not in a rat race with these ETF holders and everybody else to take your profits in the bull run, because you are, right? It's going to come down to who takes their profits first, you or these hedge funds and stuff like that, right? Because everyone's going to be paying themselves. Make no mistake about it. So don't think for 1 second, don't take solace in the fact that volatility is going to be less and that you're going to have far more time to take your profits in the bull run, because I don't think that's true at all. I think that you're going to have to make sure you're on top of the ball and taking your profits before they take theirs, right? You get greedy, you're going to get wrecked, in my opinion. That's why, guys, you want to join the member side of our channel. You want to join the Gem Hunters, because we're going to help you guys with exit plans, exit strategies. When we're selling and taking profits, you're going to be with us along the way with that, guys, and it's only $4. So click the join button for that, for sure. Or I'll put the link there. Actually, that's not the link. My mistake. I'll put the link in there for you guys, because I'm telling you guys, like, you're going to want these exit strategies. You're going to want to be able to know when to sell and stuff, because you are going to be in a rat race with these hedge funds and with everybody else to take your profits, right? So make sure you're in a like-minded community that's going to help you. Here, I put the link in right there. So just join the member side if you want to do that, guys. It's definitely worth it to check that out. Plus, you get members-only live streams. You get all the support. I get people asking me sometimes to help them with their exit strategies and taking profits and stuff in the bull run. And honestly, like, I can't help you unless you're on the member side, because everyone on the member side is paying for that kind of assistance, right? So, and the fact that it's only $4, guys, is super, super cheap. So it's definitely worth it. Elizabeth, hello, crypto family. It's great to be here. Good to see you, Elizabeth. I love that you're always here now. Absolutely fantastic. Maltasanti, my first crypto bull run. It's exciting, my friend. It's exciting. The experience that you're going to be able to take into the next bull run as a result of this one, you're going to gain a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience, my friend. And it's going to be, you're going to be so well prepared for the upcoming 4-year cycle starting in 2026. It's going to be an exciting time, man. Death Bank, what's up, buddy? Robert, ETFs appeal to investors more than traders, long-term holders who want low fees. Exactly. I agree. Maltasanti, what do you think about my bag? Maltasanti, unfortunately, my friend, I do portfolio breakdowns and I do portfolio assistance on the member side as well, my friend. So join the member side there. Send me your portfolio and I'll help you through it, man. I will definitely help you through it, my friend. What did we want to get into here, guys? What did we want to get into? Let's have a look. Look, 54.5 for Bitcoin. It's going to be 57 by the end of the week, I'm telling you guys. And then 58, 59 before we see another pullback, correction, whatever. Lord of the Realm, what's up, JASMY homies? What's up, buddy? So here's some of the stuff that I was talking about, guys. It's official. The new 9 Bitcoin ETFs have broken all-time volume records today with 2.4 billion, just barely beating day one, but about double their recent daily average. IBIT went wild, accounting for 1.3 billion of it, breaking its record by about 30%, guys. So today, the ETF volume broke the record of day one's ETF volume, right? So that's what I'm saying, guys. It's not slowing down, this buying pressure. It's not getting any less, right? It's just continues to go up. And think about this, guys. Think about this for 1 second, okay? This volume keeps going up with the buying pressure on these ETFs. So Bitcoin's being bought up, okay? Guys, I think it's up to like 12 times now, right? As of right now, I think it's up to 12 times more Bitcoin is being bought every day by these ETF hedge funds than is being produced by the miners, okay? Now, to put that in perspective for you, guys, the halving is coming up in April. What happens when the halving cuts the amount of Bitcoin being mined in half every single day, right? Think about that. Buying pressure is going to double, right? Like 12 right now, 12 times more Bitcoin is being bought than is being produced on a daily basis. So when the halving happens, we're going to have 24 times more Bitcoin being bought every day than is being produced. That's crazy. What do you think that supply and demand shock is going to do to the price? Do the math on it, right? That's what is absolutely crazy about what's coming, guys. Like, that's why I'm so bullish. And that's why I say you're not bullish enough. Dwayne, hey Rob, I heard that this bull run could go much faster this cycle because of how quick everything is going. Maybe the cycle ending around February next year. What do you think? That's been on my mind a lot, Dwayne. And what I would say about that is why it's important to, when you're talking about exit strategies and stuff, that's why it's important to make sure you have price points and price targets for when you want a dollar cost average out of all of your positions, and you want to stick to your plan regardless of what happens in the market. Okay, for example, with JASMY, okay, if my price point for JASMY to sell all my JASMY at 60 cents, let's say I want to be out by 60 cents, I'm just throwing random numbers out there, okay, and I get out of the market at 60 cents, I take all my profits and I make my money, okay? And then JASMY rallies up to $1 and I was out at 60 cents. Guess what? I'm not upset. I'm not mad that I missed out on it going to $1 because I got paid. I reached my goal of what my target was, right? Where I wanted to be, and I reached it, right? That's how you have to do this. That's why they say, guys, emotions have to get out of it. You have to have your goals and stick to your plans. And that's how you have to do it, because the second you start to deviate from your plan, if your plan is to be out by 60 cents on JASMY, and you say, you know what, everyone says it's going to go to $1, so I'm just going to hold on and not sell. That's where you end up getting wrecked, my friend, because what happens is it doesn't go to $1. Look what happened with Dogecoin holders, guys. It was 75 cents? Everyone was sure it was going to $1 last bull run. Did it hit $1? Nope. Hit like 75 cents and then all the way back down, guys, right? That's why you stick to your goals. Lord of the Realms, welcome to the Gem Hunters, my friend. Absolutely fantastic. If you need anything, portfolio help, anything at all, man, shoot me a DM over on our Discord, one-on-one, and I will be there for you, man. I'll help you in every way that you need. I'll help you with your exit strategies. I will help you with everything, man. Welcome aboard. Thank you for the support. So yeah, guys, you create, so no matter what the hype is, guys, no matter what the hype is about where the bull run's going to go, where the prices are going to go, make sure you have your plan, your price targets, and you stick to your plan, okay? A lot of people, again, with Cardano in the last bull run, a lot of people, you know, it was everywhere. Everyone was saying Cardano was going to $10. How many people, when it got to like $3, almost $4, do you think were like, oh, I'm not going to sell because it's going to $10, and then they ended up getting wrecked, right? Because it crashed. You know what I mean? So it's very, very, very important to have a plan, have your price points, and stick to it no matter what, right? With no regrets. Again, if you plan on selling all your JASMY at 60 cents, and you make $500,000 worth of profit because you did that, okay? And then JASMY pumps to $1, and you're like, oh, I could have made 40% more than what I made. Don't think about it that way, right? Because remember, this is not a one-off, guys. You can take your profits in the next bear market at the bottom of 2026, early 2027, and then you can take that $500,000, reinvest it into the market, buy back into JASMY or whatever it is that you want, and then you can turn that into even more money, right? It's just a rinse and repeat thing. If you can stay emotionless, if you can stay true to your plan, I promise you, you will succeed. It's when you start getting creative and FOMO and stuff and anxiety, that's when you get wrecked. So, what else do we got? Studio Tech. What's up, Rob? What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Crypto Holmes, what's up, brother? KK, looking like we're a little early. Yeah, we're a little early today, man. I got an early dinner. I got some stuff I got to do, so I figured we'd pop in early so I could spend a couple hours with you guys. We got some stuff to cover, man. So we are gonna make sure we hit it. If you check this out real quick, guys. I did the falling wedge a few days ago, popped out. I drew another falling wedge on the 4 hour. I think 2 days ago, or no, not 2 days, like yesterday, last night, whatever. Boom, we're back. We're out of it. So we're waiting for that next pop up, guys. Nice little success in the falling wedge pattern. Looking good. Looking good. Um, what else do we got? Lord of the Realms, let LFG Gem Hunters, 100%, brother. I am so glad that you are aboard, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Um, Guys, if you want to join Lord of the Realms, click the join button or the link I put in the chat to become a gem hunter as well. Val, it's going to pump tonight. I agree, Val. We're going to have a good run up tonight. I'm going to have the charts on again this evening. It's going to be absolutely epic. Looking forward to it, man. Once this live stream is done, I'm gonna put the chart on. Which time frame do you guys want me to leave it on? Do you want the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily? What do you want? Let me know, and I'll make sure that it's up for you guys after this stream. Kay Lily, hey, yay, how you doing, Lily? Good to see you. Good to see you, man. Val, Jasmy's going up. If it breaks 117, it's off to the races. I agree, man. I agree. We could see 2 cents, man. 2 cents. Let's go. Lord of the Realms, my biggest problem was not having an exit strategy last run. Not making the same mistake this time. Absolutely, man. Lord of the Realm, I got your back, buddy. When it's time to take profits, there's going to be a lot of members only live streams where we're going to discuss exit strategies on all the cryptos that you're holding in your portfolios, right? So for all of the members, we're going to discuss it all. We're going to create those exit strategies for all of you guys at the same time. We're going to make sure all the members make sure that you guys are getting paid, getting your profits, and getting out of the market safely, securely, with life-changing wealth. That's what the plan is for the gem hunters. So definitely we got your back, Lord of the Realm. Don't worry about that, man. And everybody else who joins as a member, we got your back. Deathbank, Jasmy being Japan's first crypto. What are your thoughts on Japan creating a new cryptos in the future? I think we'll see a lot more cryptos coming out of Japan in the future. You got to remember that this VC thing is also for new startups and stuff like that too, right? So it's not just going to be Jasmy that's going to benefit financially from this new VC funds that are going to be able to come in, capital that's going to be able to come into to Jasmy, but it's also going to be there to fund new crypto projects as well. So we could see other cryptos coming in from different niches, whether it's AI, more IoT, whatever it is, right? That's definitely very clearly what they're trying to do here, right? They're trying to get more venture capitalist money into launching new projects in Japan. I wouldn't be surprised to see other projects decide to launch in Japan because of this, right? That might have started in the States or elsewhere, but I think that you could see them decide to choose Japan to launch instead because of this VC money that's able to start coming in now. It's going to be, guys, how long have I been saying to you guys now that the amount of money that's going to be pouring into crypto from the East, from Hong Kong, China, and Japan is very, very sorely underestimated because everyone's hyper-focused on the ETFs in the States and the money that's going to come in because of that, right? And it's starting to show. My prediction is starting to come true here, right? With all of this adoption in Web3 from the East, guys. It's absolutely bigly. It's so big that it is big. What else do we got? Mimu, we need more guys like you. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Jared, welcome to the Gem Hunters, my friend. Same thing that I said to Lord of the Realms. We're going to help you with your exit strategies and stuff, my friend. We got your back. If you have any questions about your portfolio, just shoot me a DM over on our Discord, and I will help you I'll look at your portfolio. I'll break it down for you. Whatever it is that you need, I got your back, man. So just keep that in mind. And that's for everybody who joins the Gem Hunters as well. Also, guys, new members, make sure you guys are here for the Sundays. We do members only live streams on Sundays. We look at gems and stuff like that as well. So make sure you're here for that. Sunday afternoons. The Crystal Matrix, greetings. Welcome, welcome, guys. If you're new here, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button for me, guys. Let's get this channel growing. We are, as of right now, we're like 66 subscribers away from hitting 3,000. 66 is all we need, guys. So smash that subscribe button. Push us up over 3,000 subs. Let's get it. Crypto Homes, it is amazing to watch Jasmy go up 1 penny and see the overall portfolio increase by 10 grand. No kidding, eh? It's absolutely crazy. And then it's encouraging to think, okay, so it went to a penny and then your portfolio went up that much. Imagine when it goes to 2 pennies and then 3 pennies and then 10 pennies, right? Absolutely euphoric when it really starts to boil down, you know? Val, Jasmy's gonna rip. I agree. William, hey brother, hopefully you didn't sell earn. It's gradually pumping. I'm still holding it, brother. I'm still holding. You know me. You guys get my sell alerts, man. You know that I haven't sold nothing. I haven't sold anything. I have not taken profits on any of my bags yet, guys. I am waiting. Why would I take profits before the bull run? Or before the halving? That's crazy. No way, man. No way would I do that. The halving's not even here yet. Way too early. Way too early to be talking about selling, in my opinion. We haven't even started. Val, it's going to wick a big green candle. Let's get it. I agree, man. I agree. Val just bought 1.3 million more coins. Oh, you are awesome, man. Congratulations, Val. You are true champion of Jasmy, brother. Watch the big buy order. Boom. Pump it up. You gotta pump it up. Everyone in early is going to eat well. Yep, we really should, guys. I know we joke about it. We really should have like a Jasmy holders party when it's all said and done at the end of the bull run, guys. That would be awesome to rent a hall in Japan and try to convince Hara to show up. That would be awesome. Studio Tech, Val, that's a lot. Yeah, I bought at the lows yesterday. Very nice, Val. Very nice, brother. Mimu, I haven't sold either. Awesome. No point in selling yet, man. No point in selling yet. Dwayne, how long do you think we have to wait to see 20 cents on Jasmine? I mean, at this rate, we could see it around the halving, to be honest with you. You know, never know, man. Never know. What else do we got? There's some other stuff. I wanted to cover John here. Young Arsonist, we got here. What I missed? Well, 50 push-ups, brother. You showed up late. You know the deal. You actually missed quite a bit. We talked about why Bitcoin's pumping. I gave you guys a quick example of how early things are happening this time versus last time, right? The last time that Bitcoin smashed through in the last bull run in 2019, smashed through the 618, it took 40 days for Bitcoin to reach a new all-time high, guys, and we just smashed through that recently. So we could see in the next 30 days, we could see a new all-time high for Bitcoin, in my opinion, if things repeat, which is absolutely insane to me right now. And guys, the point in that is that the search volume for Bitcoin is not even it's 25% of what it is in a bull run, right? It's still so low, which means we're not seeing retail, FOMOing in. We're not seeing retail searching for Bitcoin or crypto yet at all, right? This is all this pumpage is it's all because of the ETFs, right? So imagine what's going to happen, guys, when retail comes back. It's going to be crazy. Angelo, been here since 2022 at 2035 range, 1.1 mil. Awesome. Congratulations, Angelo. That's an epic bag, brother. Crypto Homes, Jasmy Party in South Beach, Miami. Hey, I would do that too, man. I would do that too. Lord of the Realm, can't wait for $1 Jasmy Party. Yeah, man. Yeah. $1 is just getting started. Let's, what else are we looking at? So, Crypto Jelly says, I've seen this a billion times already, but many still don't seem to get it. Bitcoin has broken every single resistance level, standing in the way of new all-time highs. All you have to do here is hold on tight and wait for new all-time highs. Don't F it up. Yeah, guys, that's true. We've shattered through almost every major resistance level in Bitcoin. So it's nothing but clear skies ahead for the most part. That's why I told you guys. I think by the end of this week we're going to hit 57, and I've been telling you guys for about a week and a half that after a slight pullback we were going to see 58 to 59k for Bitcoin. I think 57 by the end of this week for sure. Going into next week, 58, 59 in my opinion. We're going, baby. We are going. I like to call the shots, guys. I like to call my shots. We're all getting matching tattoos. Yeah. Angelo, crazy. My portfolio shot up from a low 5,500 to 44,000 as of now. Awesome, brother. Congratulations, man. That makes me happy to hear, brother. Young Arsonist, are you being conservative when you say $1 to $2 Jasmy? I am, my friend. Yes, I absolutely am. Palm Springs, can Jasmy reach top 10? That's a tough question because I don't consider its placing that important when it comes to the top 10. What I consider is where can the price go, right? Where can the market cap go and where can the price go? If Jasmy makes it to the top 20 instead of the top 10, because what you have to remember when you're talking about a project getting to the top 10, I know every content creator says, Kaspa's going to be in the top 5, Cardano's going to be in the top 2, and, blah, blah, blah. And it's not really, it doesn't really matter, because at the end of the day, if Jasmy gets to the top 20, right, and the price of it is $5, let's say, right? Who gives a crap if it makes it to the top 10? Because what you have to remember is that the market cap of the top 10 is going to continue to increase too, right? So it might not make it to the top 10, but then, as long as it continues to make reach these goals, it's not really that important to me. But can it reach the top 20, top 25, maybe top 15, maybe top 10? Possible, yeah. Angelo, I see Jasmy shooting to 22 cents. Agreed. I can see it happening. 5-star shine, mobile detailing, and fixes. Just put more in. Nice. Now up to 74,000 Jasmy coins. Awesome, man. DCA is how it's done, brother. DCA is how it's done. Crypto Queen, I'm getting a Jasmy coin with a slanted crown after my 3.7 million makes me a richer. Awesome. That's a nice juicy bag, Crypto Queen. Congratulations. Robert, Cardano and XRP have similar tokenomics and floats, and also came from really low lows, and they hit $2+. Absolutely. Cardano in the last bull run. I often, guys, lately I've been comparing Jasmy's current situation to Cardano's in the last bull run, because when we're talking about the lockup and the PDL lockup on top of the two, we'll just say the two lockups combined, right? When we talk about that, guys, what we're talking about here is trying to get the TVL to between 75 and 85%, right? So when somebody is talking about, Jasmy can't get to $1 because they have 50 billion circulating supply, and market cap this. Well, guys, like I did a video about it yesterday, and I spoke about how if we reach the TVL of 75 to 85%, which is the goal here, right, then we're only talking about a 15 billion supply of circulating supply of Jasmy. That could reach $5 no problem, with 15 billion being the circulating supply, an 85% TVL, right? And anyone who says, well, an 85% TVL is not possible, yes, it is, because Cardano just did it in the last bull run. They reached like an 82% TVL with no smart contracts, no DEX, no one building on the platform, okay? That's how Cardano's price went from 3 cents to almost $4 in one bull run. So don't tell me the Jasmy can't do it, because we just watched Cardano do it, right? So that's my thoughts on that. Cheeks, top 20 is safe to say. There are so many powerful cryptocurrencies that are in the market. Yeah, exactly. Wolf, CeeLo, AMP, also all in. Nice little bags, man. A nice portfolio going. Mimu, thoughts on Suko? Let's have a look at Suko. Suko. Let me just pull my keyboard up here. Suko. All I got is the liquidity on it. Must be pretty new, eh? Low liquidity. It's on Ethereum. Meme coin on Ethereum. I assume it's a meme coin. If I'm on the right chart, it's not really for me. It's not something I would be interested in. Val, I'm buying more. Awesome, Val. Awesome, brother. You love to see it. Look, we're starting to pump, guys. We're starting to pump. Let's go. It's the crypto future live stream effect, man. I'm telling you. Cheeks. A top 20 in the bull run will be at least 50 billion. I mean, it depends on the circulating supply, Cheeks, right? If you're looking at 50 billion circulating supply, you know, it could be lower than that. Crypto Homes, Jasmy's moving again. Yep, it's moving right out of the falling wedge. Retested it as support, and now we're moving up, guys. We're gonna retest 117, I think. Crypto Queen, wonderful. What's going on with XRP and Super Token? Everyone raved about. I didn't buy it until it was 50 cents. Now it hasn't moved more. XRP, well, I think XRP is due to have a pump. I think we'll see the next leg up for XRP is going to be somewhere around that 75, 85 cent range before it starts to consolidate again. XRP's always been a late mover, though. I've been holding XRP since before the lawsuit, so like 4 or 5 years now. Very, very avid XRP holder. Filled my bags a long time ago. I DCA'd all through the lawsuit and everything, so I definitely like my XRP. Val, about to break through the trend line. Which chart are you looking at, Val? Which time frame are you watching right now? Deathbank, do you use TradingView for live stream charts, or I usually just use Binance, to be honest with you. Val, this is such a low market cap, it could go so high. Yep, agreed. Omar, have you bought Doge yet? I haven't. I want to, but I haven't yet. I've been meaning to. It's just other things end up taking priority. Like right now, I'm really degenning into really heavy into a gaming project. The members know what I'm DCAing into right now, and you know, it's definitely you know, these other projects, they end up taking priority. You know what I mean? So, but I will, Omar, I will get into Doge again before the bull run kicks off. I know that. Robert, if Bitcoin hits 3 trillion and ETH hits 1 trillion, then 50 billion isn't going to be top 20. Gold is 13 trillion. I've been reading that the estimates lately have been for Bitcoin have been actually like 5 trillion market cap just for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin alone hits a $5 trillion market cap, do you have any idea what that's going to do? How much the market cap's going to be for the altcoins? It'll probably be crazy. Gig Grifter, let's go Jasmy, 100%. Young Arsonist, XRP uh, will be fine. ADA as well. Yep, both of those projects will definitely hit. My targets for XRP is somewhere between $7 to $13. My target for Cardano somewhere between $7 to $12 or $7 to $10. Sorry. So they will both be very, very good in the bull run for sure. Balaclava Man, how much would Jasmy be if $50 billion market cap is met? $1, right? Depends on the circulating supply, my friend. Like I just kind of went over. They're trying to target 75 to 85% TVL, right? So if they can get that, just like Cardano did in the last bull run, I mean, I think that with an 85% TVL, I think you're looking at like something like that, something like $5 for a $50 billion market cap, something like that. If you get the 85% TVL, so if I remember correctly, I did the math before, but Cheeks number 20 is in full bull will be at least 50 billion. I bet you one, Jasmy. Moki Crypto just joined the Gem Hunters. Found the channel a week ago. I like hanging with like-minded people. I was told to hodl 4 years ago. Well, I'm still hodling. Solo sucks. Well, welcome to the Gem Hunters, my friend. You definitely are in the right place, man. We got your back. We do members-only live streams on Sundays where we talk about gems and we discuss everything. And those live streams are going to increase in the amount when we get closer to the bull run and it comes time to start taking your profits. So we will be there for you. We got your back. We'll all be discussing it. Very like-minded community there. And we also, on Sundays, we also have a lot of discussions about microcap gems, and we look at those as well that you can possibly get into. So it's definitely worth it. We actually just talked about a microcap gem in Sunday's live stream that's still in pre-sale. So definitely very bullish opportunities there if you want to become a member. Palm Springs, I have no doubt Jasmy reaches $3 to $4 because is the Bitcoin. It's the Bitcoin of Japan. Asia market's big with 6 billion people. I agree. And also, guys, like I discussed this when I was talking with Jesse and Jasmy US on Sunday. On Saturday we did a live stream, and I really, guys, like I gotta say, I've always been really about taking your profits in the bull run. But every once in a while, a project comes along, and you're just like, you know what? Looking at the potential of this project, I'm thinking, I hold enough other projects in my portfolio that I might just not sell my Jasmy or most of my Jasmy. I might not sell most of it in this bull run because we were discussing how high Jasmy actually could go maybe in the next bull run after this one. And I'm kind of thinking, like, if they get the TVL going and their utilization of the PDL and everything works out the way that the company's planning to do it, like, this company could be next level big, right? And I might not want to sell my Jasmy in the bull run because I'm going to make enough money with other projects anyway. I might just hold my Jasmy, guys. I might not sell it, to be honest with you. You guys, the members will know for sure, but I might not be able to pull myself to do it because I would kick myself if the company ever succeeded in getting the project to $17 or something like that, like they plan on it, and I was stupid enough to sell, right, at 60 cents or $1 or whatever, right? So, yeah, I don't know. It's going to be a real struggle inside to make that decision. That's what Spencer and Jesse and I were talking about on Saturday, and so it's going to be a tough one. What else do we got going on? Mimu, Jasmy, Render, ICP, Shib, Doge, Matic, ADA, Solana, Crow, LCX, my bag. Mimu, what I would say, I do portfolio assistance on the member side, my friend. Apologize for that, but that's what that's what the members pay for. It's only $4. Become a member. Send me your portfolio, and you and I can sit down and we can go over it. I can help you tweak it. I can help you maybe find some different niches you might want to add to your portfolio, things like that. So that's what I would say. I give all kinds of assistance with portfolios there. Uh, so check that out. Um, I'm gonna butcher this name, but we're gonna say it anyway. Iqbal. Uh, just have 12,000 Jasmy. I hope it goes to $5 from Indonesia. Thanks, Rob. Yeah. Well, I mean, everyone's got to start somewhere, my friend. And what I would say is, if you're looking to continue to increase the size of your Jasmy bag, even like DCAing like $10 a week or something like that, everything always helps, right? And you can continue at these prices. You can continue to grow that bag at a substantial rate over time. Definitely congratulations for being a Jasmy holder, though, man. Welcome in, my friend. It's glad to have you in the family. Jasmy Paradox, what's up, brother? Future, we Jasmy ready? Yeah, we are ready, man. We're gonna pump. We are going to pump. Maybe 2 cents tonight. Who knows? We're gonna have the charts up and running, guys. Crypto Queen, keep in mind if anyone recalls 2021. During the halving, every crypto topped. Jasmy was $4.99 and Cardano was $3.10, with most investors enabled to purchase a lot of Bitcoin at coins will double. Yep, I agree. I agree with your assessment. Balaclava Man, around when do you think it will reach $1 this bull run? I'm thinking it's possible before the end of this year, my friend. JD, please ignore my username. I made it when I was 11 years old. Jasmy Pampin. Hey, I like it, brother. I like it. 5-star shine. What is the best phone app for looking at charts? Honestly, I use a lot of the time. I use Delta, and it's also a portfolio tracker as well. So Delta's not bad. Omar, do you hold AGIX? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Deathbank trading. Yeah, trading view is good as well. Balaclava Man, because I see much more potential after connecting the white paper to industries in Japan. So excited. I agree. I agree. I was watching Max talk about that last night, actually, over on Maximus Crypto. I'm pretty sure I saw you in the chat, Balaclava Man, so I know you know what I'm talking about, brother. Balaclava Man, that's exactly how I'm thinking. I must just hodl because of the potential, and it's amazing. Exactly. Jasmy Paradox, 3 months alt season, alts at fair price having then rip. Big things popping. Cheeks, I hope you're getting friendly with Max. Max is awesome. Max is a good buddy. I'm supposed to be on Max's channel next. We spoke. Last time we talked, yeah, we agreed that the next collaboration we were going to do is going to be over on Max's channel. Max is absolutely awesome, guys. And what I would say real quick is, if you don't know who I'm talking about, check Max out, guys. Put him up on the screen here, Maximus Crypto. Check him out. His research will absolutely blow your mind, guys. I'm telling you, he's extremely intelligent. He does his due diligence. He breaks everything down in his live streams. I like to sit in his live streams all the time and just chat and listen to him because Max is a fantastic source of research. So definitely give him a sub, guys. Check him out. Max is the man for sure. Can't wait to do another collaboration with him. Cheeks, do you have interest in Jasmy ambassador position? I don't know. I've been asked that a lot lately. I don't even think they're looking for new ambassadors, to be honest with you. I know that I'm probably the biggest Jasmy content creator out there. I'm pretty sure I do more Jasmy content than anyone else on YouTube. As far as being an ambassador, I don't know. I mean, I do my live streams with Jesse and Jasmy US, and they're both Jasmy ambassadors. So I don't know. Maybe. I mean, I'm open to it. If they asked me, I would definitely be open to it. but nobody's asking me, unfortunately. So, but yeah, I guess I would be willing to do it. Crypto Queen, watch what happens. How can it be lower than 2021? 5-star, CeeLo is breaking out nicely. Awesome. Awesome to hear. I'm also going to throw up, guys, make sure you shoot Max a sub, but I'm also going to throw up Jesse's channel as well. Go shoot Jesse a sub as well, guys. He is a JASMY ambassador. That's his channel there. Go check him out too, guys. Shoot him a sub. He's absolutely fantastic. He's a good buddy of mine. Jesse and I do collaborations. We do a show together all the time. We're going to do more and more of a show together all the time. Good friend. He's a good guy. Solid source as well, guys. So check Jesse out. Check Max out as well. Cheeks, hey Crypto Queen, saw you in Max's audience. Crypto Queen, just be prepared. If you buy in late, you will have to wait 4 years until the next halving. Yep, absolutely. Still some buying time though. Still some buying time, guys. Clay, 81 viewers in the stream. 100%. We're starting to hit some good numbers in the stream, guys. We're starting to hit good numbers in the stream. I love it. Moki watched a Maximus video about an hour ago. Yeah, Max is awesome. Like I said, I'm always in Max's live streams. I'm always in the chat. Sometimes I'm working, so I can't really type anything, but I'm always hanging out and listening. So, Crypto Queen, I've been in the hole for 3K with 3 tokens. As soon as I recover, I'm cashing out. KK, CeeLo will do well. 5-star shine. Yeah, 100%. Crypto Queen, 3K each. Wow. JASMY, Paradox Facts, Crypto Queen, 4 more years. F that. I'm going all in. 1,200 a month. Yeah, exactly. What else do we have here, guys? What else did we want to talk about? This I just thought was funny, guys. That's why it's up. This is hilarious, right? Jasmy, he says, Jerry Banfield, how do you explain Jasmy to your followers they missed out? This is why you don't listen to people like this. Don't be sheep. If you don't know the reference, guys, Jerry decided to do a video a couple of months ago calling for Jasmy to go to 0, and he had very terrible research in what he was saying, so most of his followers probably got wrecked not buying into Jasmy as a result of that. So very, 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 very funny. Not to the people that got wrecked, but just to him being so wrong. Kareem, amendment bill by Jasmy's Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry to ease investment in virtual currencies and Web3 for VCs. For Japanese VCs, this legal reform presents a huge opportunity to diversify their investment portfolios and tap into the rapidly growing cryptocurrency market. With the increase capital injection, Web3 companies have the potential to expand their operations, develop breakthroughs, technologies, and contribute to the development of Japan's digital economy. Proposed regulatory changes in the country have received attention from key stakeholders, including industry leaders and government officials who are aware of the potential impact of the crypto sector. This is huge for companies like Jasmy, guys. Huge. Crypto Queen, it risky buying in when it hits 75 cents. Yeah, exactly. You got to buy in low. Mimu, the only crypto this guy likes is ICP. Yeah, I know, and he's probably going to end up getting wrecked because you never only buy one crypto, guys. I would always recommend being diversified. I say this I've told you guys this story before, but I'll say it again for the newcomers, guys. The reason you want to diversify, and a perfect example of it for me, in the last bull run, I had about 10 different cryptos that I was diversified across, right? And Terra Luna was one of them, okay? Now, Terra Luna, obviously my bag of Terra Luna got absolutely wrecked and destroyed by what happened. That being said, because I was diversified, right, and I don't care what anybody says, nobody saw what happened with Terra Luna. No one saw that coming. Okay, nobody. Everyone was calling for a $500 to $600 Luna in that bull run. Everyone was. Okay, so I got wrecked in that, but because I was diversified, it did not completely decimate my portfolio. And within a few weeks, I had recovered. I had recovered my losses from Terra because of profits from other projects. Right. That is why making sure you're diversified is important, guys, because it balances things out and it doesn't completely devastate and destroy you financially. Right. So never go all in like that on one crypto. I don't care what crypto it is, because no one saw it coming with Luna. No one could see it coming with anything else. It just happens, right? Sometimes bad things happen to companies. It is what it is, right? Um, what else do we got? Cheeks, glad to hear the premier JASMY influencers KIR and Max and you. We are talking. Are talking. I gotta go. Thanks for the videos. Good to see you, Cheeks. Thanks for being here, my friend. Have a good night. JASMY Paradox. If I remember, Jerry's ROI is terrible. He's been in the space for 2 bull runs. Well, when you only buy one project, like, of course, right? KK, Jerry, put your darn shirt back on. Clay, RIP, Jerry Banfield. Lord of the Realms, never be a Jerry. Yep. Crypto Queen, I have several Bitcoin and 17 alts ready. Awesome. This is going to be a good bull run for you, Crypto Queen. I'm already happy and excited for you. You're going to have a great, great time this bull run. Make sure you guys are smashing the subscribe button, guys. If you're not, we only need 65 more subs to get to 3,000. So let's smash that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Let's get it growing. Let's get it going. What else do we got going on here, guys? Clay, make sure you guys get Jerry's new mixtape called I Was Wrong with hits such like Miss Jasmy featuring Outkast. I'm sorry, Miss Jasmy. Ooh. Oh, that's awesome, Clay. That is awesome. So guys, quick breakdown here of the JASMY PDL. Welcome to the Crypto Class 2024. Here's why JASMY, aka BTC of Japan, is your retirement plan, because it works in the real world. So here we go, guys. Consumer personalized data, which is you, the consumer, right? Stored in the JASMY PDL, your personal data locker, which, guys, by the way, we are going to do a tutorial on when it gets launched so that you guys know how to use your PDL and activate it and get monetized for your data. We have the merchant pays in JASMY coin to use the data. So that is whatever company, Google, whatever company wants your data, right? They're paying in JASMY coin for your data. You, as the consumer, receive the JASMY coin you get paid in. You can use your JASMY coin to exchange points and coupons, which can be used in the same way as cash. Show payment code to merchants by phone, scan code, and pay. Successful transaction. You just use JASMY as cash. That is the plan. We already covered this a little bit. New 9 spot Bitcoin ETF volume reached new daily high as Bitcoin nears 55K. Guys, absolutely bigly. Antoine, everyone sells all of your JASMY now before the big crash. Ooh, I wouldn't take financial advice from that. Ouch. KK, I heard Jerry is moving in John's basement. Oh my god. You guys are awful sometimes. Oh, I love it. Circle extends programmable USDC wallets to the metaverse. Guys, metaverse theme is starting to gain momentum again going into this bull run, guys. What does that mean? What does that tell you? That the metaverse is starting to come back. And when that happens, you're starting to get into the bull run, guys. You're going to start seeing a lot of bullish news when it comes to the metaverse, which Jasmy is a big part of. If you didn't know, Jasmy utilizing AI tech. They will also have the PDL and stuff and their blockchain accessible to be able to store things like skins, NFTs in the metaverse. Also to secure every single consumer's personal data whilst in the universe, the metaverse. Sorry, the universe in the metaverse, guys. So understand that Jasmy's tech is very, very crucial to the metaverse as well. And a lot of people don't talk about that or don't understand that, but it's very, very crucial, right? Where's all this data going to get stored safely and securely, right? Jasmy solves that, guys. Jasmy solves so many real world problems, it's not even funny. Jasmy solves that. What did I discuss with Max and Jesse last weekend? Or sorry, the weekend before last. What did I discuss? I brought up 57,000 people's identities were stolen when Bank of America was hacked last month, right? Jasmy solves that, right? I'm telling you guys, huge potential here, guys, right? JD, Jerry, Studio Tech, Rob, when is Jasmy lockup coming up? Well, in March we're supposed to get started, Studio Tech. They should announce what their plan is for the lockup. Now, understand that there's two different forms of lockup coming, and I think that's kind of getting lost in translation by a lot of places. So, Jasmy, from my understanding, is going to do a periodic. I don't know if it's going to be a monthly or a quarterly or whatever lockup of Jasmy tokens. Okay, and on top of that, the second that they're going to announce how much and all that fun stuff. I think they're starting with like 100 million or something like that as the first deposit, something along those lines, just as a test for the PDL, something along those lines. But anyway, so they're going to be locking that up, right, periodically, incrementally, however you want to word it, over time. Now you combine that with the lockup for both retail and institutional investors, because to be able to monetize your data, you have to stake or lock up your Jasmy coins. No different than you would on any sort of DeFi play, like I hate to say Celsius, but like Celsius, right? The same way people are staking on DeFi plays and stuff, right? You're going to be staking, locking up your Jasmy coins to have access to your personal data locker. Now, the goal, the first original target for active PDL addresses is 107 million, as a lot of you guys already know. And if they can do that, guys, they can do that in just Japan, right? That's no problem, just in Japan. But we're talking globally here, okay? So let me put it this way for you, and it's a comparison that I used the other day. Shiba Inu has 1.2 million wallet holders right now, okay? So don't tell me that Jasmy can't get 107 million with the tech that they have. Globally, no problem, guys. I'm thinking that's conservative, right? And all 107 million of those personal data lockers have to have Jasmy coin locked up to be able to use the personal data locker, okay? So that is another massive lockup. That is how we get from a 75 to 85% TVL for Jasmy, just like Cardano did in the last bull run, right? And as far as when is the PDL happening, that is scheduled to be launched next month in March, Studio Tech. And then to kind of piggyback off of that, we have, if Jasmy can launch the PDL and Jasmy chain on time, guys, we could very well see them removed from the innovation zone on Binance in April when they're scheduled to be reassessed, right? So this is going to be like a chain reaction of things, guys, that's going to be a catalyst for the price of JASMY to go absolutely insane, in my opinion. I mean, we're looking at let's look at it here for a second, guys. Okay, we're looking at the PDL, we're looking at the JASMY chain. We're looking at the marketing starting to kick in for the company to advertise the PDL to the retail investor, right? We're looking at the carbon credits exchange launching in March as well. We're looking at the announcements of partners and collaborations with companies that are going to be utilizing the carbon credits exchange with JASMY, okay? We're looking at, combined with the PDL and the JASMY chain, JASMY being taken out of the innovation zone in April because their product is actually out to market. The only product they have out to market right now is the Aveda laptops, right? But when the PDL and the JASMY chain get launched, you're looking at, like I said, the innovation zone tag being removed, right? Then you have the Bitcoin halving coming up as well, right? Which is going to affect the price of everything, including JASMY. Guys, there's so many catalysts that are coming right. It's absolutely insane. I called it earlier this morning, the perfect storm for JASMY going into this bull run, right? All of this stuff happening, all of these catalysts, and I'm telling you, I talked about this with Jesse and Spencer on Saturday. It's not a coincidence that all this stuff is happening within 2 months, guys. It's not a coincidence. This has been planned this way, right? JASMY team is not stupid, right? So just keep that in mind, guys. This is all coming to fruition. This has been designed this way on purpose, right? Like all this stuff happening in March, right the month before the Bitcoin halving and the bull run kicks off. You don't think that that's a coincidence, or you think that's a coincidence? I don't think so. I don't know. That's just me. Crypto Queen, JASMY also is the first and only software developer to launch a blockchain run unhackable secure software. I'm on the waiting line in the US to add to my business. They all, yeah, exactly. That's a perfect example, Crypto Queen. Exactly. Is that a lot of companies like yours are going to be utilizing these PC laptops, these Aveda PC laptops with the secure, because it doesn't only secure company data, guys, it also allows the company to track their employees who work from home, who work remote, right? It tracks when their employees are logging on, logging off, the progress that they're making. All this is going to be the new standard for businesses, guys. All these companies are going to use this tech, right? Because they all want to obviously maximize the production, the performance of their employees, especially ones that are working remote, right? So that's going to be huge, guys. That's going to be the standard, in my opinion. Crypto Queen, you absolutely nailed it there. KK, right? JASMY doing 3x in daily volume of SHIB. Yeah, exactly, right? Crushing it, guys. Crushing it. What's Bitcoin doing right now? 54.5. JASMY up 4%. Looking juicy. Not bad. I'm going to have the chart on today, guys, for you after I'm done here. So, you know me, guys. I don't just love you and leave you. I leave the chart on for you, too. Lord of the Realm. Perfect storm building for JASMY. Exactly. KK plus SHIB is byproduct Panther real. So you know it's real. 60% of the time, it works every time. Val, I bought 1 million more JASMY. You're the man, Val. I love your commitment to JASMY, brother. Sorry, 1.3x volume. Yeah, exactly. JASMY Paradox. JASMY is definitely an end of bull market hold. Exactly. 100%. Crypto Queen, the PC laptop blockchain is available in several Asian countries already. Yeah, and from my understanding, Crypto Queen, they also already have a representative here in the US who is negotiating the ability to start selling the Aveda laptops here. Well, not here, I'm in Canada, but down in the US, and I'm sure eventually here in Canada as well. So definitely agree with you on that. You're hitting the nail on the head for sure. So yeah. What else do we got going on, guys? Crypto Nation, JASMY to 2 cents soon. Maybe tonight, man. Maybe tonight. What else is going on? Ethereum analysis, price analysis, surpasses 3K resistance. What's the next target? That's another thing. JASMY is also an ERC20 token, guys. And that's another potential catalyst because we have the Ethereum ETF decision coming on May 23rd, guys. And I really don't see a world where the SEC rejects the Ethereum ETFs because what's going to happen? They're just going to get sued by all 9 or whatever, how many companies that are applying for these Ethereum ETFs. BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, all these companies are going to sue them all at once, and then Gary's going to lose 9 lawsuits simultaneously just to try to prevent an Ethereum ETF from being launched. I don't see a world where that happens. I think that we get the approval on the Ethereum ETFs on the same grounds that we got the Bitcoin ETF approval, right? And that's also going to be a big catalyst for JASMY as an ERC20 token, right? Could be very, very bullish. So that's just one more I keep saying, guys, perfect storm brewing here. Perfect storm, right? It is coming, guys. Let's get the chart up there. So yeah, what else going on? JASMY Paradox, celebrity in here, Crypto Nation. Let's go, Crypto Nation, 100%. Welcome in, my friend. Welcome in. So, with all that being said, guys, that is what I had for you. Is there any projects you guys want to have a look at before I go eat supper? Or I'm gonna leave the chart on for you guys. So make sure you guys are here for that stream. Also, guys, tell me in the chat right now before I do go, which time frame do you want on the stream? Do you want the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily? Which time frame do you guys want? Crypto Homes, Polygon broke through $1 today. Did it? Did it break through? Big things popping. That's why I said, guys, the selling pressure for the for Genesis and Grayscale's dying down, guys, and the buying pressure is picking back up. Bitcoin is going to pull all these alts up. Where is DOT anyway? Oh, Matic. Sorry, I was thinking about DOT for some reason. Matic. Yeah, look at that, $1.06. Awesome. I'm really into some of the gaming projects over on Matic right now. Crypto Queen, the blockchain technology will be added to so many healthcare facilities, networks. It's insane. I agree. You're going to be able to store your medical records in your PDL so that you and your physician are going to be able to have access to your medical records at any time, right? So you can go from different specialists and not have to wait for one doctor's office to send your medical records to the other one. You'll be able to just have access to your medical records via your PDL, right? So that's very, very bigly as well. Crypto Queen, 15 minutes. The 15-minute? Okay, guys, you got it. No problem. No problem. All right, so if there's nothing else, my friends, I'm going to go eat some dinner. Crypto Nation, data is the new oil. Exactly. It is the digital oil of the world, guys. And the thing is, we're early and we understand that. A lot of people aren't going to get that until it's too late, right? GT, do we have to get rid of Matic because the coming upgrade? No, you do not, my friend. You do not. I would not worry about that. The passenger, I see so much greedy in the entire market and in many news. Normally, the past bull runs, that means downtrend, but the ETFs are now very confused. What typo can you provide? What tip can you provide? Well, like I said earlier, passenger, what I would say is I would ignore the noise, ignore the white noise. Pick your price targets for your exit points on the cryptos that you have, okay? Pick your price points of where you want to DCA back out of the market and stick to your plan, okay? Don't let all of the oh, 4.99 super chat from Crypto Queen. Thank you very much, Crypto Queen. You are greatly appreciated, my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What I would say, what I was saying is, pick your price points for your exit strategy, DCA your way out, and ignore the white noise, okay? Because you're going to hear a lot of it, guys. You are going to hear a lot of it. A lot of people are going to be telling you super cycle this, super cycle that. Don't sell your crypto. That's what happened in the last bull run, guys. When Bitcoin was 69K, everyone was calling for a $200,000 Bitcoin, a $10 Cardano, and they were saying don't sell. When you start hearing that stuff, guys, make sure you're taking your profits, because that is a red flag to start exiting the market, okay? That's a tip that I would give you. Ignore the white noise. But Passenger, I would also tell you that you are a member of the channel, so I will be there through the live streams. We will be doing live streams with you to help you out and with your exit plans and stuff like that. So you will be covered, my friend. I'll be here for you the whole time. What do we got here? What is this one? Oh, sorry guys, I accidentally clicked on something. Okay. Crypto Queen, yes, very, very much appreciated, Crypto Queen. We don't get many super chats, so thank you so much for your support, my friend. Are we ready for? We already have patents obtaining their records. It is as rock solid as Jasmy. Yeah, exactly. The patents, no one can even copy us, right? No one can even steal what we're doing right now. It's absolutely bullish. Evening, guys. Rickaroo, what's up, buddy? Good to see you made it, man. GT, sigh of relief. Lord of the Realm, Jasmy, Gala, IMX are my top picks. Going to be a great run. Yeah, it is going to be a great run for sure, brother. Ahmad, hey Rob, how's it going? How you doing, brother? Good to see you made it. Hey, thought I'd jump on before hitting the sack. Well, thank you for coming, man. It's good. It's always good to see you in the chat, my friend. It's always good to see you here. Crypto Queen, don't panic and sell if it dives, because it will recover. Yeah, those are DCA opportunities for me. When I see dips, when I see red, I'm excited, man. I get so excited. I'm like, I'm gonna buy some more. Like, it's super, super awesome. There's something else I'm just kind of noticing here, guys. Hang on a second. Alex, what do you think about ASM? ASM. Which one are we talking about, my friend? I got 3 of them here. Let me know which one you want me to look at here for you. Crypto Homes exit the market when Coinbase is the most downloaded app in Google Play in the store. That is one of the signs, absolutely. Crypto Queen, you're welcome. Crypto Homes. Something else I'm kind of seeing here. We're starting to see a bit of it's not exact, but one could kind of argue here. We're starting to see Jasmy ping-ponging here, if you follow me, right? I mean, it's not really touching the top, but, you know, we're starting to ping-pong here in a channel that generally, it's a bullish channel. We generally can break to the upside there, if you guys can kind of see. We're not touching on the bottom or top yet, but, you know, I don't know. Kind of looks like it a little bit. Kind of looks like it a little bit. Crypto Queen, I get fatigued. I have PTSD. I get triggered. Death Bank, assemble protocol. Okay, let's look at it. Assemble protocol. There we go. I think we looked at this yesterday, didn't we? Why do we not have a market cap? Well, let's check on. Let's check over here. Market cap of $73 million. Circulating supply, almost 98% supply in circulation. It's on Ethereum. All-time high was 3 years ago in the bull run. It's got a lot of listings. It's not on Binance or anything yet. Yeah. I mean, what do they do? What do they do? Oh yeah, we looked at this the other day. Yeah, I said this is a decent little play. It's not bad. Not a bad call. Yeah, so all right guys, well, I think that I'm gonna go eat some dinner, guys. Again, I'm putting the link again into the chat. If you want to become a member, guys, click that. Become a member of the channel, guys. We're gonna help you guys with your exit strategies, with DCAing out of the market. We're gonna help you make sure that you're not getting, influenced by a lot of the crap that's gonna be flying around. We're gonna get your gems, right? We do Sundays only, members only live streams where we're going to look at a lot of gems and stuff like that. So make sure you guys are here for that stuff. Click the join button. Become a member for that. And yeah, thank you everyone who came in. Crypto Queen, a special shout out and thank you again for the super chat. It means more than you know to support the channel. Definitely amazing. Ahmad, hoping to see Jasmy out of the innovation zone. That could definitely set up the price. Yeah, probably in April. Crypto Queen, night everyone. Crypto Homes, thanks Rob. No problem, man. I will have the live stream, the chart going for you guys. Give me about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I'll have it up for you. And yeah, thank you again, guys, for coming. Join as a member. Click the subscribe button, guys, if you're new here. Support the channel. We only need about 62 more subs to reach 3,000. So let's smash that subscribe button. And yeah, I will see you